Yo, it's still not over yet. We still have another opportunity to cop the sneaker of the year 2022, the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Founds. We're gonna get straight to the meat and potatoes. Not too much talking with this one. We got a couple of things to talk about, but the main one today is that restock happening on the Sheik App, man. Hey, real quick before we jump into the video, if you are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. So I drop content like this all the time, putting people on, letting them know about restock, shock drops, and all that good stuff. And just so happens to be one of the hottest shoes of last year that pretty much broke the sneakers app, the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. And every time I get this information, I'm definitely gonna come up here, chop it up with you guys. I know a lot of y'all appreciate the information, so why not come up on here, talk to the Vintage Squad, let y'all know what's going on as far as these restocks and these shock drops and these raffles and all that good stuff for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's. And leave a huge like on today's video. To go for every single video is 500 likes. That really helps the channel grow. And you guys already know what the goal is this year. We ain't gotta say it no more. Just sub up, spam the likes, spam the comments, and we're gonna hit that goal very, very soon, man. And I don't ask you guys for too much. I don't ask y'all for too much, but man, please go tap into my clothing brand, Shop NOIR. I'm gonna link it down below. You can go subscribe to our website right now, and you can go follow the Instagram. That means so much to me. Both those links will be down below. Let's go ahead and help your boy out. We got some dope stuff coming very soon. I cannot wait to show y'all what we got cooking up. All right, so if you guys already follow me over on Twitter, man, you already know what's going on. A lot of people, I tell y'all every single video, follow me on Twitter. That's when I can retweet everything in the snap of a finger. If I see a restock happen, I'm retweeting. If I see a shock drop happen, I'm retweeting. Exclusive access, all that good stuff. I try my best to share that information with y'all. And it's so easy. Like, Twitter is so easy because you can just hit that little retweet button and everybody knows exactly what you know. And today happened to be another like breaking information about a restock, and it is a raffle happening on the Sheik app. And this one is not the Nike sneakers app where we don't know the exact date or the exact time. This one is like set in stone that this will be a raffle on the Sheik app. So I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box, the same tweet that I retweeted. It's actually the link down below that you can click on, and you can see exactly what I'm seeing right now. It is a draw for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. I'm gonna put a little screenshot up here, but you know what I'm saying, pretty much says the description, Air Jordan 1 High OG app draw, $179.99. Of course, you guys already know that. And the draw will now open on the Sheik app. So I'm pretty sure it's like something to where they trying to promote their own Sheik app, get more people towards it. Cause I remember them doing something very similar with the Air Jordan Mochas a couple of years back. So they kind of, you know, seeing that it did work. It's one of the hottest shoes of last year. So like they probably got mad stock in the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. Not like too crazy, but enough to definitely get some attention, make people come download their app. And like I said, everybody still wants a pair of Lost and Founds. And this is another great opportunity for you guys to tap in, maybe hit. I know some people that have hit on Sheik app, like, you know, it's apps like Snipes and I forget the other one, but like some apps that you know don't work, you feel like it's all botted out. And this is a little tricky one because a lot of people do know about the exact time and exact date for this raffle happening tomorrow on the Sheik app. So them bots probably loading up, might take a majority of the stock, which I hope not. I hope that Sheik has some type of bot protection. That's everybody's, you know, hope and wishes that people just protect the bots. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my year, really did a good job. They canceled a lot of those orders and they let everybody know, which is super dope. So hopefully Sheik app got some type of bot protection. They're kicking out all the bots, and hopefully real people can actually get a pair, at least try to get a pair with their raffle. So I'm scrolling right now and I do not see an exact time. I do see the date, which is of course tomorrow. It's happening tomorrow, January the 10th. Make sure you guys are ready. But usually when drops happen, it's around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Like I said, I'm checking on Twitter right now. I do not see an exact time. All it's saying is tomorrow on the Sheik app. And once you do click on the link, you can read, you know, all the processes that I go through down with the Sheik app. And it says Air Jordan 1 High remakes a classic sneaker, blah blah blah, giving it familiar looks, all that good stuff. All in all, it's telling y'all to download the damn Sheik app. So I feel like this is kind of like some type of promo or whatever. I'm not too sure, but yeah, man, this is what it is. And they also dropping a GS pair as well. So it's a GS raffle and it's a men's raffle for the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Founds. I don't know where all these shoes is coming from, but it just seemed like they knew it was going to be a sneaker everybody wanted. Probably the best time to break out, do a little quicker restock, bring some more traction to the app, And what better shoe to bring to a raffle or to a new app that they're trying to, you know, remodel, whatever, than the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's. So like I said, it's not over yet. We got more opportunities. And I know a lot of people like, yo, you've been talking about the Lost and Founds like crazy. Yes, I am, because I'm trying to help you guys out, get some pairs. And yeah, man, who don't want a pair for retail? I had a pair resale, which sucks, but you guys have another opportunity to get a pair for retail with this raffle, which probably isn't too promising. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't think it's too promising. But that whole restock that's happening on this Nike sneakers app, that's a random kind of like shock drop restock. I think that's our best bet. But I gotta let you guys know about this one. Shiekh App tomorrow. Be ready, be prepared, get ready for the raffle. Hopefully they kick all the bots out, who knows. But yeah, man, you guys stay tuned. So tomorrow when the drop does happen, if nobody knows about it, I don't know if they got a specific time yet. I've been searching all throughout Twitter, but as soon as I see that it does open, I'm gonna retweet it. So that's what I'm telling you guys right now, to follow me over on Twitter, link down below in the description box. All right, guys, so now that we're done with the Chicago Lost and Founds, I know we've been talking about them like crazy, we gotta talk about some more breaking news, and it is the Air Jordan 12 Cherries finally coming out this year in 2023. But a lot of people saying they are coming out, but I see a lot of major sources saying that they are rumored to come out. And you guys know we've been hearing rumored cherry retro happening for the past 10 years. I think the last time they dropped was 2009. It is now 2023, and it's been damn near time for them to drop them. I'm still waiting for them to come out. I never had the pair in the collection. Of course, you see them, you know, here and there on people's feet. But, bro, we need them cherries back, bro. They dropped the cherry 11s. So I think it is smart for them to drop a cherry 12. It makes sense. It all adds up. It all lines up. What was that? It's 14 years since the last release of the Air Jordan 12 cherries. I can't wait. Super crazy. And that's one of them 12s, like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have them in a collection, bro. Like, you just gotta have them. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. And a lot of people, I feel like nowadays, not a lot of people have the cherry 12s in their collection, either beat up, torn up, in the trash. And now that we're getting a newer pair, things gonna go crazy. A lot of people gonna go after them, so it's probably gonna be one of them sneakers that, you know, is a hot commodity and probably ain't as easy to get as you think, even though it's a huge, crazy GR. But who knows? We shall see what Nike does as far as this Air Jordan 12 cherry retro that's supposed to be happening in 2023. I don't know yet, but like I said, this is some crazy news that everybody been talking about today. So hopefully it is confirmed. That's the crazy question day. Is it confirmed? Is it not? I hope they bring them out, because I'm tired of hearing the rumors about the Air Jordan 12 cherries. Jordan Brand, just drop them again. All right, guys, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Real quick wrap up of the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found raffle happening on Sheik App tomorrow. And we also talked about the Air Jordan 12 cherry crazy news saying that they're gonna be dropping in 2023, and we still don't know which Air Jordan 11 dropping, but we're gonna talk about that in another video. Stay tuned for that. So subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you did not know about this drop happening at all. I need y'all to go crazy in the comments and go crazy with the like button. And please, 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 please go follow the clothing brand Shop NOIR. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box along with the website, so you can subscribe to the mailing list. Again, guys, I appreciate everybody tapping in. Hope somebody gets some pairs of these Lost and Founds for retail. Real people, not bots. Forget the bots. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.